guys, Boba the Adventures here. Guess where we going? We're going to Well guys, we are here in Hoover Dam and we're going to Las Vegas. We're gonna have fun, me and my friend.
Mucho frío.
And she said it's cold, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Look at this, look at this. So yeah, we're going to Las Vegas. We stop on Hoover Dam real quick, real rapido. And man, everything is different. Different. This side, and let's go check it out. Let me show you. Let's go. My people, I don't know if you can hear me, but damn, this is different. Way beautiful. They changed a lot. Normally, before the few times I came, it was from this side. We came in all the way to Vegas. But now, this freeway. And that, but this point of view, this angle is beautiful. It's delightful. It's exquisito. Oh my goodness guys, alright, that view was great. So, like I said, I don't know if you hear me, if you couldn't hear me back there with so much wind and noise. Hopefully yes. I'll check it out right now, if not I'll repeat it. But we're coming to Vegas, baby. Yes, the Sin City. And we're gonna see. Let's go. We still have an hour and 20 minutes to be in Vegas, and what it is, guys. Well, we're here and we got to Las Vegas. Now, let's take a little roll and see what happens and show this lady, because she's never been here. Let's take a little cruise around. So let's go, come along with us.
Me activo porque me activo.
Qué perrochis.
Sí, claro, tráeme aquí pedo y a ver si me callas y eso de güey ya, cállate. Y yo, no, me callas el hocico.
Soy yo,